Welcome to Retro Machines. My name is Victor Bart and in this video we're gonna install a CD-ROM game on the 286 turbo build. But first we're gonna see if there's any charge left in the supercapacitor on the motherboard, and I didn't turn on this system for at least 6 months. Oh no, the supercap is empty. Whoops. Hard drive type. Let me look that up. User type. Let's start up with CD-ROM support. Some people said to me, oh, you don't need a CD-ROM player in 286. Now I gonna prove you wrong, because we have Duke Nukem 2, which comes on a CD-ROM, and it is the full version from top PC CD-ROM. And here it says action. Here on the back of the CD case we see Duke Nukem 2 Escape from Alien Abductors en de rest is in Dutch. Duke Nukem 2 is alles wat je van een actiegame verwacht. Duke ramt genoeg firepower over je computerscherm om ook de rest van je huis op te blazen. In dit avontuur wordt Duke Nukem ontvoerd tijdens een interview dat hij geeft over zijn nieuwe boek. Waarom ik geweldig ben. Moordlustige buitenaardse wezens willen Duke's brein leegzuigen om al zijn kennis te gebruiken om de aarde te veroveren. Duke heeft 2 mogelijkheden. Toezien hoe hij verandert in een stuntelige zombie, of de wapens uit het vet halen en alles en iedereen vernietigen. Je snapt het. Duke is er klaar voor. Jij helpt hem ontsnappen en met behulp van 4 verschillende guns, inclusief een vlammenwerper, zorgen jij en Duke ervoor dat niemand van de aliens het overleeft. Wow. And here we have some more text. Realistic graphics with new backgrounds and enemies on each level. Music and sound effects. 32 action levels, I think. A built-in radar that Dukes help to shoot and get info. Save and restore. We have some difficulty settings, secret levels, special options like COD mode, and every level has a special unique escape thingy, hatch, level, exit. Here we have the system requirements: 286 computer or better, 386 recommended, 550 kilobyte memory and 10 megabyte space on the hard drive. Let me see how much memory I have. I have 525 kilobyte of memory now free, so that's not enough to run the game. So we're gonna first install the game and then we're gonna reboot the system without the CD-ROM drivers. Inside the CD case we have the install instructions and how to start the game, and here the system requirements again, and also on the disk we have the system requirements. This game and the game codename Eagle was given to me by Martijn Klerks and his friend. So really thank you for this game, and we're gonna install it now and play it. The double speed CD-ROM player in this system is a Mitsumi FX001D, and the CD-ROM player has his own ISA interface card. Let's go to the CD-ROM player. It's drive letter D, install. Okay, the game is now installed. Oh no, we need even more memory. We need 560 kilobytes of free memory. So let's reboot the system. And of course we're gonna start up the system with maximum memory. And we have 613 kilobytes of memory free. This game is not shareware. Please do not distribute it. Okay. Do we have sound? There's a Sound Blaster 2.0 in the system. And it is working! Nice! Let's play Duke Nukem. I'm not really good in this game. So let's try it out on easy. And I really like these graphics. And if you want to see a real good player for Duke Nukem 2, you should check out DOS Gamer on YouTube. Oh no! Again! Access denied. Okay, this is the exit. Yes, I have the key now and I know where the exit is and the thing where I can put a key in, so let's go there. Yes, I made it. With no bonus. Okay, that was fun playing Duke Nukem 2. But this system is a little bit on the slow side for this game. So you can better run this on a fast 386 or 486 machine. I think I will keep playing Duke Nukem 1 on this system. Martijn, really thanks for this game. And as you can see, this is the reason why I built in the CD-ROM player in this system. Because I can install games like this. So thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. You can join Retro Machines on Facebook and support me on Patreon.
Where are we taking this Freeman guy? Topside for questioning. What the hell for? We got him. Let's kill him now. And if they find the body...